Hello everyone, today's recipe is called coconut milk hair curry recipe. So the first thing is you add your vegetable oil, then add your chopped onions, then add your ginger and garlic. Add your cayenne pepper. Add your sliced eggs. Add your cow skin. This is optional. Add your chili pepper. Add your curry masala seasoning. Add 1 or 1.5 tablespoon or turmeric powder. Add 3 hard-boiled eggs. Then add your coconut milk. Allow to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Add 2 seasoning cubes. I added half teaspoon of salt. Allow to boil for 2 minutes. Your coconut milk egg curry should not be too watery or thick. Our coconut milk egg curry is ready. Serve hot with rice. If you enjoy watching this video, why not give this video a thumbs up? Let us do it again next time. Bye.